The next thing I'm going to do is to fix this sidebar to extend up to this point. So if we go to this um, main section, so we have this class sidebar. We have given this background also, and here we can add padding bottom. Let's try adding 200 pixels and see how it changes. So we don't see any change here. We can also try in uh, this area where we added the added this sidebar class. So we have given here py5 here already, and we tried now by adding padding bottom, and it did not work. So maybe we can increase the height of this. So let's try that. Let's give this height 500 pixel, and let's refresh, and we can see there is a increase of this area. I will increase it further. And I don't need this padding bottom, I think. So let me comment this out. And we can see now it increased more than this area. Like that's why we got this the scroll bar. So we can reduce it a little bit. I will add here maybe 800 pixels. And now I think it looks okay because we don't see the scroll bar. And another thing is we don't need this default font in our project. We can add a Google font. So let me go to Google, and I will search for Google fonts. So I'm going to get this Rubik font. Here I can click this get font, and I can use this get embed code, and it gives the instruction about what should we do. Here we can see here embed code in the head of your HTML. So we can simply copy this. We can simply use this copy code, and we can use it in our head section. I'm going to add a comment first. And in this page, it also shows the instructions on how to use this. So we can simply copy this and I'm going to the style.css and I will add a custom style. I will use the body tag and I will paste this font family and let's refresh the page. And we can see now the font changed. So this is the changed font. And if we uh, reduce the size, we can see here after certain screen width, it becomes the buttons, layout of the buttons changes to show uh, on top of each other. So we can adjust this later. For now, we can keep it as it is. And maybe we can do a slight change to this current layout to reduce the width of the buttons, not to span from this corner to this corner. Instead, we can add some margin. So let me do that. In the main main SCSS, here we have these buttons. So I can add a margin here. Let me add it like this, MX2. And if I refresh, I can see the button width reduced and we can see some margin added. So maybe I can add MX3 and I will use the same class in the other two buttons also. Okay, I think now it looks good.